Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Zola Suite step by step clearly. Open your web browser. Type in the URL for Zola Suite, www.zolasuite.com. Press the Enter key to navigate to the Zola Suite homepage. Locate the login option, usually found at the top right corner of the screen. Click on the login button. You will be directed to the login page. Enter your registered email address in the designated field. Now, move to the next field. Type in your password carefully. If you've forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Password link for recovery options. After entering your email and password, ensure all details are correct. Click on the Login button. Wait a moment as the system verifies your credentials. Once verified, you will be redirected to your Zola Suite dashboard. From there, you can start navigating through your account and utilizing its features. If you encounter any issues during login, double-check your email and password for accuracy. For persistent problems, consider reaching out to Zola Suite's support team for assistance. Enjoy using Zola Suite to manage your practice efficiently. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.